Are you tired of losing money trading cryptocurrencies? Sign up for my free trading AI with over 50% monthly return on your investment. Link is in the description. Will Shiba Inu survive after dropping a massive surprise and Twitter failing? News: Shib, the crypto market crashed on November 21st, with the worldwide MC falling 4.5%. Cryptocurrencies like Shiba Inu, Dogecoin, and Coin have all experienced a sharp decline in value as a result of this heat. We will discuss Twitter failing, Shiba Inu revealing a major bombshell, and if Shiba Inu will live or die in this video. News: Shib, remember to give it a big thumbs up. For the most recent information about Shiba Inu's price forecasts and expert commentary, please share and subscribe to the channel. Let's start the video now without further ado. Shib has lost 6% in the last day, while Dogecoin has lost 11% in the same time frame. This coincides with yet another decline that these currencies have experienced in recent weeks. For the majority of this month, Shiba Inu and Dogecoin have been declining, losing ground to their formidable rivals. These currencies have been in decline since the pump they had in the final week of October and the first few days of November this year. They have been on a downward trend as a result of the recent bull run that Doge and Shib achieved. Crypto researchers claim that the pump was likely started by hype rather than a sustainable growth element. If the adoption of these coins did not proceed as planned, the Twitter hype would not last. Without this, Shiba Inu and Dogecoin would continue to struggle for stability. Additionally, the lack of utility for these coins is a problem. According to predictions made by cryptocurrency specialists, Dogecoin and Shib will continue to fluctuate until there. The Shiba Inu army will open a second Shiba Inu-themed restaurant on Australia's Gold Coast before the pump is reached. Shiba Wings, a chicken restaurant with a cryptocurrency ATM installed on the property, will be located in the coastal city of Queensland. The logo of Australia's first crypto restaurant features a Shiba Inu with flaming wings, possibly alluding to the Shiba burning process. On Australia's #Gold Coast, #Shiba Wings debuts. This is fantastic. Shiba Army #Shiba Wings #cryptocurrency strong at Shib Tokenomics. There is Shib Tokenomics November 20th. 2022 Shib is being traded at 0.086, down 4.2% from the previous day. Memecoin suffered from the crypto cold, suffering a monthly deficit of 13.3%. Due to this, the Dogecoin lost 200 million of its market value over the previous day and moved to the 13th spot on the cryptocurrency charts, where it is now being replaced by Lido staked Ether. For the first time since June 21, 2022, it trades below the crucial resistance level of 90 cents. In related news, Shib's Coinbase trading activity continued to maintain a 91% buy rate. Coincident with the bullish indication from Coinbase users, the Ethereum network saw the addition of about 5,000 additional Shib wallets. According to Whale Stats, there are 1,279,882 active wallets overall, with the top 100 ETH whales holding an average of 80,363,052,179 Shib. 91% of trades in Shib over the last 24 hours on Coinbase have been buys, and 9% have been sells. Shib Alex at Shib Alexander November 21, 2022. The Shiba Inu's popularity does not appear to be eroding despite the continuing bad market. Without a doubt, the cryptocurrency industry suffered greatly from the fall of the FTX empire. Almost all of the cryptocurrencies on the market were perceived to lose value. Even the price of Bitcoin dropped to around $15,000. However, one sector of the market is relieved as it slowly begins to recover. Major cryptocurrencies have traded with losses in the single digits over the past 24 hours. In just 2 days, Shib attracted 5,000 additional holders. On November 17th, there were 1,271,666 Shib holders worldwide, according to Whale Statistics. According to data from CoinMarketCap, it surged to 1,276,281 on November 19th. Nearly the past 24 hours, Shiba Inu's trade volume has increased by nearly 92%. The trade volume has dramatically increased despite the fact that most cryptocurrencies, including memecoins, have lost some of their value during the past 24 hours. The trade volume, which was 92% at one point, is now 79.59%, which is significantly greater than it was 24 hours ago. The current trading volume is $195,404,458. Shib's current trading volume on DX is $1,719,763.69. However, with over $193 million in trading activity, CX trades make up the majority of transactions. Notably, the burn rate over the same time period has somewhat increased. The current Shib burn rate is 307.8%. 38,210,601 Shib have been sent to dead wallets during this time, according to information from Shibburn. Most of the burning from the two significant transactions involving 26.7 million and 11 million Shib. Since authorities all over the world are looking to implement regulations more quickly, the market seems to still be enmeshed in FTX's demise. Despite the difficulties in the cryptocurrency marketplaces, Shiba Inu has maintained its investor base. Its popularity appears to be increasing with each new investor who enters its ranks, with no apparent drop in numbers. Shiba Inu has gradually increased in price during the past month, according to information gathered by CoinMarketCap. In the period from the end of October to November 20th, there were 50,970 holders. There were 1,228,876 holders on October 22nd. This represents a rise of 1,278,108 on November 19th, and an overall increase of around 5%. Between November 14th and November 19th, there was around 12,452 a week in increase. Additionally, there is a steady addition of nearly 1,800 new members each day. The holder data show that 14,645 Shiba Inu addresses have been active over the past 24 hours. The top 10 owners of the currency own about 62.71% of it, while the top 20 hold about 70.76%. Bone has a solid use case in the Shiba Inu ecosystem and will be used as gas in the Shibarium network. After unification, the token's value increased by 110%. The Shibarium network's construction company declared that the L2 documentation would be made available in the third quarter of 2022. However, the documentation for the Shibarium was delayed until a time soon after, which made the market for bones appear feeble. The ecosystem token for Shiba Inu, called Bone, had a sharp drop in value following this month's FTX-caused crypto meltdown. During the second week of November, Bone fell by about 25% on a daily basis, setting new monthly lows. After the Shibarium documentation was delayed by unification, the price of Bone doubled and hit $1.10 from a zero value of $48 in August of this year, 2 months prior to the crash. The indexes continued to be critical of Bone's chances. It was at the mercy of bear markets when its incredible rally came to an abrupt end. Simply said, the price of Bone rose in response to reports of the Shibarium documentation rollout, then fell when unification decided to delay the release. Since Bone has no practical applications, it needs Shibarium to grow within the Shiba Inu environment. The only thing that can give Bone life is Shibarium, and without the L2 network, it might be difficult for its price to increase steadily. Only if unification announces the launch date for the Shibarium paperwork will Bone come to his senses. Prior to the launch of the Shibarium documentation, the token may spike. In conclusion, Bone requires the L2 network to boost its pricing because it cannot survive without Shibarium. In the 24-hour day trade, Bone is currently trading at $0.65 and is down 4.4%. Additionally, it has decreased by 95.8% from its peak of $15.50 in July 2021. Investors in Shiba Inu could receive some encouraging news. There are rumors that Tesla may include Shiba Inu as a form of payment. The genesis of the rumor is an examination of the Tesla website's source code, where Shib is displayed as a payment option. However, the EV company hasn't made any formal statements regarding this. The most popular cryptocurrency experienced a 23% upward spike in early February when Tesla announced a $1.5 billion Bitcoin purchase and its integration as a payment option. According to some analysts, this event served as the main impetus for Bitcoin's rise to mid-April highs. Shiba Inu experienced gains of around 800% in October and reached a record high of $0.8850. Despite this outstanding run of performance, detractors keep spreading the myth that Shib is just another passing fad that will soon collapse to zero. Shiba Inu, however, keeps developing its underlying strength. For instance, the recent success of its Shiboshi NFTs created a price floor of $8,600 for 2 ETH. Shib is an ERC20 token, which makes it a poor choice for payments given the high and erratic gas fees of the Ethereum network. The day is over now. Remember to give it a big thumbs up. To view our most recent material, share it and subscribe to the channel.